Baptist.
Yeah, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Yeah, Clayton County, baby. Yeah, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby.
Oh, what
Gold.
Oh, yeah.
I want to get the blue one. They talking about next week. I like, not this week. That nigga need that one. What tomorrow
We
is?
all got gold, bro. Hell yeah.
Hey, it's all good.
Gold.
You gonna get there, you know? You gonna pop out a little?
Speaking of, when my truck gets running, I'm gonna bring my bike to your house for that shit.
Oh yeah, bro. I got the garage set up. We gonna make that shit a video.
See what's going on, man. The 250 motherfucker, 2-stroke motherfucker.
It is, man.
Aftermarket pipe on, bro. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, ski. Platinum.
Yes, sir.
Platinum guy. You know what's going on with it.
Oh my God.
Top end just rebuilt, bottom end rebuilt.
Okay.
Yes, sir. New top end and bottom end rebuild.
Crispy.
Yep.
We ain't waiting to June and all that. Get today. You feel?
Go ahead.
That's what I do. Yes, sir. They bang motherfuckers right here, man. And that bitch, that motherfucker insane. Yeah.
Look, this man got to come through a hole and most of it.
Yes, sir. They been warming them all guys. Woo! Big 250 motherfuckers, yeah. Turn down now. Go check them all, bro. Smoke on their head. The shit that go right there. I got the rack that go right there in the arm port. That shit steep though. I'm just thinking about one day out there.
It's steep.
I have to angle my truck every time. I'm too small. Bro, all right, hey, bro, we got that going right. We gonna.
Let's be on old that, man. 138, man. We out this bitch. What they do? Flat shoulders. Shit?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go that way.
What?
They deep out there. I see all kinds of damn side-by-sides up there.
That one I'm gonna go see what they at. Look, man, I'm about to pressure rush that.
And I cranked the bar. Hold on. What are those? Fuck up and ski. It's all good. There you go. Take the dust out there. Take the dust out there, motherfucker.
Yeah, no, my nigga been with these bitches on with the grandfather. Yeah, like he been with the grandfather.
You know what the grandfather swag.
Hey, come on, people.
Yeah, take care. Yeah.
18 hit my first league.
With the grandpa motherfuckers, you dig?
Back then, face off, what's
That little
it?
motherfucker scoot, that's
Zero
all
PSP,
105.
had a chick. Me and Lil Lee riding in the brown
like a
shit.
rare.
Playing Pastor Troy, nigga,
Rare.
yeah, we ready. On battle creek road, it can get deadly. Better keep your eye peeled for the roadblock.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
18 corners once in the parking lot.
I was going with no bang break.
Bust a young nigga living high. Make a spoon, try to skip me with a thigh. Remember we used to get them outside. Working hard on the shit.
No bad break.
Niggas dead, niggas start a whole ride.
No bad break.
Whole box, don't try.
No bad break.
Money for a lap dance.
Straight gear shit to break that power. That's it. That shit down there holding
I know
enough.
how the little creek run in front of the yard.
Oh yeah.
I took my shit down on my left, right?
Oh yeah.
Nigga needed them brakes like a motherfucker because I went on the wrong side, nigga.
Oh yeah, got
It was
that.
on the high clip.
Going down.
Feel me?
Southside. Nigga
Nigga went over.
Got him!
Got him. That's what that shit. We gotta win.
That
Right, big.
motherfucker ain't like
Yeah, grab my through. You feel me, my boy? Goddamn. You know, I was telling him the whole time. I said he got more balls than me, cause boy. Whoo.
Yeah, your ass get tight on that. Yeah.
Man, listen. Yes, sir. So, went to the spot. My boy about to put it on for me right here. He about to put it on for me on spot. Everything is in sprocket. New chain. Yes, sir. And guess what else came in? Hold on. Oh, man. I'm in the game with the sticker. Stop playing. Yeah, I can see the difference. He about to go do his thizzle. Got a new sprocket going on right now. You know what I'm saying? New sprocket going on him. New caliber on the way. Just got the new kicker. 125 baby, man. Big boy trucks out here. Plates, man, stop playing with us, man.
Out of it, but when you leave wash it out, it's still got gap in it.
Yeah.
Unless maybe I just put, that's what it was.
That's why I said, man, we're gonna figure it out.
I just put it in.
I'd have been doing the same shit by myself, so.
This is the ones with the wash.
Sit still, I can't wait, I go get man, I'm like my jams, I'm having the stronger than lights. Let's see what I'm doing, let me fold the lights.
Really, nigga? What you gonna do when you phone come through? What you gonna do when you where you go?
Hey.
You gon' run, you gon' shoot back.
Hey.
It don't matter, better keep your gap.
Hey.
I keep a gat. That nigga keep a goddamn broom.
Y'all see me go on my raggedy ass bearing.
Bruh.
It's all good. I just put the order in. Fuck it.
What's up, dog? How what you doing, boy? Hey, that man like a Houdini. Hey, boy, sometimes you feel, sometimes you don't, boy. He got that green, boy. You ain't gonna be that nigga for a good shit. When he came up, I'm like, hold on. I'm looking for the guy.
I ordered that bit ASAP. That shit should be here in 3 days. Oh yeah, definitely. That's why. Alright, my boy. Yeah, on the real one.
You know, hey, you met Seth. You ever meet Seth, the white boy who sold bike? It's like a specialty.
Oh yeah, it's my homie. Like that with him, bro.
Really, nigga?
Man, me and him did the whole bit together, bro. When I went up there, he was seeing me. He was like, "Man, Corey, bro." I'm talking about he ran. That's when the owner was like, I was like, "Yeah, I was locked up with you." Yeah, you get on there, right?
Even, you know, because every time it pulls, it's got
It's all good. Ain't no big. We wait for that part to hit, then we drop back in there.
Yeah, we else to do.
So y'all see the verdict. We got the new sprocket on there. But it was time for that Baron to go. So fuck it. You know, we gonna wait till he come in. We gonna pop him back on there. It ain't nothing. But yeah, y'all done seen action today. Frank done went in and goddamn rebuilt 2 damn bites in y'all face. Yeah. It continues. We waiting for that part to come in, and when it come in, we gonna throw them in there. And y'all see that 125 baby back got there. Ooh, I see what you say. Woo! Well, where your shit go? Your place got there? Damn, bro. How the hell you be coming over without goddamn popping no with it? snapping. That bitch.
Yeah, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Yeah, Clayton County, yeah, Clayton County, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. I'm from Riverdale, shouted. Grew up with them Glock 40s. 17 got my first stick. 18 hit my first lick.